Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back with another set of cards using the Spellbinders card kit of the month, and it's for May 2022. It's called Koala Smiles and it comes with all of these things. You can pause the video if you want, if you're not familiar with the Spellbinders card kit. So it comes with the dies. I didn't get to use that. And some words, and here's the example. They give you instructions on how to put the koala together. So there it is. So let's get on with the cards. Here's my first one. I think this is this was the first one that I had created. So again, this is paper from the paper pack that comes with the kit. I still have a lot left over, and it's this paper pack right here. So I used this one, that one. Whew. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so I used one of those, one of the papers. I think that one. All right, and then chipboard, heart, and the rest are ephemera. That's ephemera. This is ephemera as well. Oh, and the edge die is an alley die. I don't know who. So there it is. I bought that from Ali maybe 2-3 years ago. That's it. Oh, and the paper that I used is a Stampin' Up! Paper pad, cardstock, and it's called, and it's probably my favorite cardstock from Stampin' Up!, and it's the Blackberry Bliss, that one. And then this oval die is a Spellbinders die, and it's this one, S4907, and that's that one. All right, okay, that's it. It's very simple in the inside. Alrighty, and then this one's the next one. This is a Michael's cardstock that, you know, they have that 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and so it came from my stash. Paper from the paper pad, ephemera, and that's very simple. That's it. And then this one, ephemera, 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 but this one is a chipboard sticker. So it comes with chipboard stickers, and here are the rest of the chipboard stickers I didn't use. So you really get a lot with this kit, and if you've watched my videos before, and I've had a few, I have a lot actually of videos using this cardstock. Card kit. I love working with it. This is paper. I love this wood grain floor panel. It looks like flooring to me. And then this one is also from the paper pack. That's it. That's basically it. And then this one is something that I will probably give to one of my daughters. It says "Love you, lads," and there's the koala there. That's ephemera. Also, this is ephemera. This is that die again from Spellbinders. This is paper from the paper pack, and that is it, my friends. Oh, and this one is again the oh no, this cardstock is from the actual cardstock that came from the card kit, because they give you several cardstocks to use. And then here's the next one. I'm sorry for the noise. My craft room is directly below my 11-year-old's room, and I think she's moving her chair. Anyway, chipboard sticker. It says "You are the best." Ephemera. Here is cardstock from the actual kit, and then paper from the paper pad, and that's it. The same. That's the cardstock. That same cardstock. That's it. I may put stickles here. By the way, I made 12 cards, not the usual 10. I have other videos in my channel. If you would like to see others, I've made I've had one where I made 74. I think I have a 40 cards, one kit. I have a 15. So if you like those types of videos where people use card kits or their kits from other companies, I have quite a collection in my channel. This is the next one. Again, paper from the paper pack, paper from the paper pack. This is from, I forgot what this is called. You know what? I keep forgetting what these are called. Epoxy stickers. And they're all just words. So I used the hearts on this one. This is chipboard sticker that I just backed with a simple white cardstock from Michaels. Because as you may imagine, if the white wasn't there, this would drown in this very busy pattern paper. That's it for this one. And then here's another one. I just collaged ephemera. So these are all ephemera. See, they're flat, they're thin, they're not the chipboard. So, and then this one is again from that epoxy stickers. This is again from the epoxy stickers. And this is just paper from the collection. And I love, it's probably one of my favorite card kits that I've gotten from Spellbinders. And then, because I love flowers. And then here's another one. This is May Arts ribbon from Amazon. That one. I got that from Amazon. And yep, that's it. And then this is chipboard sticker from the chipboard pack. This one too is a chipboard sticker. It says, oh my gosh, I hope I can read that. One of a kind. It says one of a kind. And that I just basically collaged everything. This is a tag from the ephemera, just some leaves and a stamp from the ephemera, butterfly from the ephemera. These are these ones. And this is from Allie also. So different sizes, just so it's more interesting to look at. And that's it. Oh, and this is a paper from the paper pack that comes with in the card kit. Then this one is paper from the paper pack. This I cut with a circle punch. I believe it's the 1.5 inch Fiskars punch. And then this is ephemera from the card kit. This is paper from the card kit. It's a cardstock. And then, oh, this edge is from Allie, and it's this one. All right, and that's very simple right there. The reason I put this, it's not just for aesthetics, but also so that the whoever's sending it won't write all the way down here, and then when you close it, you see your dedication, or you know, the things that you write to the recipient. This provides us like a reminder not to write in this area. That's it. And then this one is another card. This is it says love this life. It's a chipboard sticker. This one is not a chipboard sticker. That's just ephemera, ephemera, ephemera. And this one I just popped up. That's why it's it looks lifted. And then these are just from the epoxy stickers. That's it. And this is paper from the paper pack from the card kit. And then this one, I love this one. I just love this. I guess that's why this appeals so much to me. This is paper from the paper pack. This is the die that I used, that I showed you earlier, Spellbinders. This is another chipboard sticker. This is ephemera that I just popped up. And then what else? This is that Stampin' Up! Paper Blackberry Bliss. This edge right here is this edge, also from Allie. You know, the reason I'm using all these edges, I've been cleaning the whole of last week. I was cleaning my craft room and also the, you know, spring cleaning in general in the house. And so I found these while reorganizing my stuff in my craft room. And so when I got this kit this week, or last week, I think I got it Saturday, I said, oh, why don't I use these? So that's why I ended up using these. And then that's how it opens. Again, this serves as a stopper for you to not write all the way, and then when you close, you see your dedication over there. And then this one is, hang on, I forgot to take it out from, it is, I forgot the brand. Oh, it says we are memory keepers, and it doesn't have a name. I got this from Tuesday morning. Alrighty. That's it for that card. And then this is the last one. This is the last one. This is not the last one that I made, but it's the last one I'm showing you. Again, it's just, I don't usually do this kind of opening for a card, but for this die I had to. So this is this die, again from Ali. So I pasted this paper first, which is again from the paper pack. And then I ran it through the die cutting machine using this. And then I just collaged several ephemera stuff. So the bird is ephemera, all these are ephemera, including these. These are from the epoxy. So I made 12 cards in total. And I hope you like them. I just want to show you some of the things that came in the kit. So you get dies, and these are the dies, and it's the koala and the several different words that were there that I showed earlier. This is the stamp set. This one says you are celebrated today because to know you is to love you, and then there are so many other sentiments there. And then I showed you the ephemera, and then oh no, I haven't shown you the ephemera yet. Here, I normally put it in a baking sheet just so I know what I have. And when I create, you know what I noticed about myself? It starts with the paper. So I look at this first. See what paper I want to use, and then I look at which one or what kind of paper, cardstock, or maybe another pattern paper from this kit, which one will look good together. And then I look at my ephemera, and then I make a collage about it, with them. And then I use the die, whatever, to ground them all, or sometimes I don't. Like you see here, I didn't use a grounding die. I just put them directly on the paper. That's how I create. Some other things that I used, what is this? It's the clear, I forgot what this is called. Crystal Clear from Spectrum Noir Sparkle. Okay, and then I also used this, and this is Love from Lizzie. There it says Love from Lizzie, but I forgot what they're called. I'm so sorry, but yeah, that's the one that I used in one of the cards here. That one, all the way down there. Okay, I believe that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.